Behold, the cormorant were a bird. It lives in two worlds. And why do I say that? Because it can perfectly fly as high as it could, and at the same time, it can dive or swim up to 150 feet down the ocean. That sounds like a birdfish to me. They are also found globally across every continent. Their feathers are partially waterproof. They are expert pursuit divers. They use their powerful webbed feet to swim and chase down any fish. They can swallow fish as big as their body size. That sounds like a glutton to me. They are highly social birds that hunt in groups, and they also breed in large colonies. But in all their flying and swimming abilities and skills, they didn't drop from the sky. The hand of the Almighty God made them all. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more.